How to upload a 3-minute long YouTube short. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. If you want to upload a 3-minute long YouTube short, guess what? You can now do it easily in your YouTube short because YouTube have the new update where you can upload a YouTube short of 3 minutes. Yes, you have heard it right. So basically, it is just like before that you upload your short. All you have to do is head over and launch a YouTube application in your device. Then tap on the plus sign icon and make sure to select on short. Now head over and select on your video that could be 3 minutes long or 19 minutes each. That is 2 of the videos. So let's go ahead and click one. So as you can see, I have selected 2 of the videos over here and tap on the next option, and you will see that YouTube will actually split it into the 3-minute option. Once you do this, you can tap on the thumbnail to edit to select what thumbnail that you wish to add, then click on the done option. Now, just like before, you can add a caption of your short that you wish for and control the audience setting. Once done, you can tap on the upload button to upload a 3-minute long YouTube short. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.